This screencast explains the process of connecting your Grid appliance to Archer Global. We assume that you are already familiar with the basics of Grid appliance. In order to use Archer Global, you should register with our system at www.grid-appliance.org. Click on Create an Account link at the bottom left of Grid Appliance portal. Fill in the required fields. Please use your institutional email address, like the ones ending with .edu or .gov, instead of a web-hosted address like yahoo.com or gmail.com. This expedites the verification of your request. Once you have finished filling up all the fields, click on Register. You would be getting an automated email with a confirmation link. Click on the activation link and your registration will be completed. Once you have the Grid Appliance account set up, the next step is to register with Archer Group VPN and interacting with Group Appliance. This step requires you to provide additional information of your usage and agree to our terms of use. Log in to the Grid Appliance portal using your user account. Navigate to the Group VPN link under User menu. Click on the Join button next to the Archer group. You will be asked to provide additional information and agree to our terms of use. Please be sure to describe the project you are working to expedite the verification of your request. Click on I agree after completing all the fields required. This will send a request to the Archer administrator. Once your request is approved by the administrator, you will be notified by an email. After your request gets approved, your state would change to member and you will be a member of the Archer group. Once you have been approved for Archer access, the next step is interacting with the Group Appliance module. In the Grid Appliance portal, under User menu, select Group Appliances. This enables you to either join an existing resource pool for which a group already exists, or create your own group. If you are a University of Florida or ACIS student, you may want to join the ACIS group. If you want to have your own resource pool, for example your research lab, you may want to create your own group. Any Archer Global user can potentially access any resource that is idle. But when there is a contention for resource, the group you choose to join will have an impact on the priority your jobs have over others. For example, if I choose to join the ACIS group, I will have higher priority than other users for jobs running on Archer resources owned by ACIS. I would need the approval of the owner of this group to gain membership. Whereas if you create your own group, you are the manager for that group and can immediately access the pool. In this way, I have created a group called Test Group. Once you are a member of a group, you can now connect your Grid Appliance to Archer Global. Start with a fresh copy of Grid Appliance. Check that you have downloaded the latest version from the Grid Appliance website and uncompress it. I have already done it here. In the Grid Appliance web portal, under User menu, select Group Appliances. Select the group you would like to connect with. Select a floppy disk configuration you would like to download. You can select the type and the system architecture. The default, client, and x86 32-bit is recommended for typical end-user workstations. Download the floppy disk and extract it. Rename it to fdb.img. Now, use this floppy disk image to replace the one in the grid appliance folder. Now, turn on the appliance as described in the Archer Express tutorial. The appliance will work the same way as in that tutorial, but now you are connected to a larger private pool of registered Archer users. All Archer users will be communicating in an authenticated and encrypted manner. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.